more thing. If you have any VHS tapes in your house, I don't care if it's next Friday, whatever, take it down from the front room, pack it up, and put it in the closet. Because somebody inspected my house and they said, oh no, you can't do your Airbnb and have these VHS tapes sitting up here. No, that really tell your age. I'm like, okay. So even though it's Friday, next Friday or whatever, put it in a box and put it in your closet. And if you want to enjoy looking at your tapes when they're, in your leisure time, pull it out, put it in, whatever, and look at it. But try, I'm talking to myself. Try to be a little modern. Yeah, these young folks trying to keep me updated, so I'm trying to learn a little something, something. Yeah. Yeah, this is another tip. Okay. Mucho amor. Much love. Enjoy your dia. Enjoy your day. Bye. Tips on how to do your spring cleaning. Just suggestions. Okay, a dress. If I like to wear, I have a lot of dresses in my closet. Pants, I don't have much. But anyway, somebody asked me one time, why you wear dresses all the time? Because when I was married, that's what he wanted me to wear, dresses. So that's what I did. Then I started wearing, I'm talking now, I'm just rambling. I used to wear my dress all the way to my skirts, all the way down to my ankle, all the time. And my mama, she said one time, because I wasn't paying no attention, you be living life and doing what you do, trying to keep peace. And I had my dress to my ankles, and mama said one day, why are you wearing all the time wearing them dresses to your ankle? You need to come on up a little bit. Acting like I'm old. Yeah, so yeah, and she also told me don't be wearing black so much. So I try when I go shopping, I try to make sure I don't get black. I love black. I like black and red. But yeah. So listen to people who will tell you a little something because you don't see yourself sometimes. You just be doing what you do. So people are not hating on you though. Okay, what else? Okay, if that dress is tight, try it on now, try it on. And if it's a little bit too busted that you about to pop out that dress or blouse, give that blouse away. Keep that saying you're gonna lose weight. I'm not saying you won't lose weight, but I tell myself somebody else can enjoy this. This is a little bit too much for me. It's too much. So I said, let me put in the pile, even though I love it. I don't care how much you spend for it. If you ain't gonna lose the weight, if the breast's not gonna go down anytime soon, or that stomach, you go and give it away. Yeah. One time, I'm rambling, just rambling here now, keeping you company for those who ain't doing nothing. Those who are busy, go on, click off. One time, my friend, he had one time he said, I was complaining about my breast being too big. Not that he mind too much, but he worked at the hospital and he said, what are you telling me? He said, oh, I can get you hooked up to get it done at a good, very, very good price. I have this blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh, really, huh? And I thought about it and I told my other girlfriend about it and I'm like, she said, girl, don't do that. No, people paying to have big breasts that, wishing they had big breasts. And I'm like, I bet not. I might have other complications, so I bet not. So I didn't get it done. But I thought about it. But anyway, what else? Yeah, if it don't fit, give it away. Yeah. And while you're decorating your house or trying to rearrange it for the summertime or whatever season it is, get somebody to come in to help you do some stuff that you may not can do, or get their suggestions on what do they think? What do you think? And then they can tell you, look around the space, because I want my place to look like a model apartment, clean all the way. Because when I get ready to move, it ain't gonna take me long to move because I got everything. All the junk is thrown away, so it won't take me long. But what else I gonna tell you? I'm trying to think. Oh yeah. Well, anyway, I forgot to say this. But anyway, if you clean it up, do it in the morning time because it's cool. And if you don't want to use your AC too much, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Best do it in the morning time. Get it over with. Clean up. if you're trying to be conservative, because Reliant ain't playing. Or whoever you may have. Well, anyway, I'm trying to... Oh, it's hot. Excuse me. I need to turn the AC on, right? I need to sweat. I was doing my research about health. I know I'm on a budget. I was doing my research on health, and they say it's good to sweat and not good to always be in AC. But yeah, it ain't good for my video though. But I'm always hot. At work, I tell them I'm always hot. I'm about to run out of. I'm about to walk down the hall naked. I'll be so hot. Oh, I stay hot. Just stay hot. My friend at work, he give me his fan so I can cool off a little bit. Cause we ain't got no privacy at all. None. It's just like that movie. I think about that movie, Baby Boy. When that girl found out that the other girl was messing with a man, you can see each other just like that. It's just no privacy. I ain't used to all that. But anyway, it is what it is. It's a job. But anyway, getting back to spring cleaning tips. What else? I can't think of anything, but just make sure you don't keep stuff too long that you're not wearing. If you ain't wore that for a long time, go and get rid of it. Just get rid of it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's all the tips I can say for now. Later. Bye. Okay, update. This organization of spring cleaning isn't going too good. I'm stressed. Yeah, I had planned on being finished by Saturday, but it looks like I gotta be finished by Friday. Yeah, Friday. So that's something to motivate me. Like I told my neighbor, I was outside, I said, at least I got something to motivate me to do it. And they were trying to fix my other little trampoline, my little bouncer, my other little mini bouncer, but it wouldn't go. I had 3 people to work on it, wouldn't work. So it was the parts wasn't right. So anyway, I have a large bouncer and I love it, but it's too big for this apartment. But anyway, back to spring cleaning. My neighbor came in to inspect, he talked about me bad. And then I said, I know, I just took stuff out the closet. And it's good to feel a little bit bad. That'll motivate you too. So I said, okay, I've never seen his house, but I know they brought in some nice stuff. I told him I was watching. I know they brought in some quality stuff. But then when I looked at his, it wasn't as tidy as I used to peek in and see. It wasn't as tidy. But he keep a clean apartment, but he had a lot of company in and out. But I'm like, oh, okay, I don't feel too bad then. So I'm getting mine together. I keep a clean house, but just trying to organize. That closet is getting to me. I looked at it, I got depressed. I know, so if you're cleaning up, stay motivated. Get somebody to tell you what you need. Don't get mad at them. They talk about you. That's just going to push you to get it together quickly. Yeah. Think about money or something. People coming over there and say, oh, it's nice. Yeah. Big forehead. She didn't put my hair over my forehead like I wanted it to. It just showed my big forehead all the time. I'm sorry. I went on a tangent. I'm hungry. I gotta go to work. I don't want to go to work. Anyway, that's life. I'm gonna eat. Yeah. But anyway, hang in there if you're cleaning up. These for people who ain't got nothing to do and just watching this video. I'm just talking, just keeping them company. So y'all folks who are super busy, say, Linda ain't talking about nothing. I know this. I know. But you probably need to clean your house too. Yeah. Anyway, let me go. Bye. Peace.